I've picked up one of these LCD writing tablets just to see how they work. And these are very common these days. Ever since the Chinese companies started making them, they've been flooding eBay and Amazon and all that. So today I'm going to quickly talk about how they work. So these are called Reactive LCD display panels. And they all work the same way, but essentially the way a normal LCD panel works, the kind of LCD panels that you find in your smartphones or TVs or computer monitors, is that they normally have a backlight that shines light through the LCD layer. And each LCD cell that represents either a green, red, or blue pixel can be polarized either to block light or allow light to pass through. Well, the way these tablets work is there isn't a... I'm just going to get the stylus that I left on the table. Sorry about that. So the way these LCD tablets work is there isn't a backlight, but what you have is a reflective panel at the back that reflects light, and obviously from what you can see here, you can tell that the panel is multicolored. So some parts of it reflect yellow light, some parts of it reflect blue and green and so on, white. So this is called a reactive LCD panel. So essentially what you're doing here is by applying pressure with your finger or with the stylus, the pressure is manually twisting the affected LCD crystals so they polarize and allow light to pass through. So as I press down, they're getting polarized and light shining through and bouncing off the reflective layer at the back. And thus you see the lines in color. And they all have a built-in 3-volt lithium coin cell primary battery. So what happens is when you press the erase button, just make sure it's locked for now. When you press the erase button, what happens is it sends 3 volts from the battery through the panel, and that forces all the LCD crystals to twist and repolarize to block light, and that happens instantly. So that allows you to erase whatever contents you've drawn. So I'm just going to switch I'm going to switch it on, and you can see how quickly this happens. The moment I click it, it goes blank because it instantly causes all the LCD crystals to twist, and now they're all polarized in the opposite polarization of the polarization filter. So once again, as you draw, you're forcing them to twist and polarize themselves in the same orientation as the polarization filter layer in front of it. And once again, the moment I press this button, and now it's all gone. Thanks for watching.